Hello, hello. Welcome to the Me and Maths class. My name is Humaira and I will be your math tutor for today. So, all of you, how's your day? How are you? I hope you had a great day today. You can reply on your chats. Am I audible? Let's wait for 2 or 3 minutes so that others can join. Till then, we can interact. Yes. So, all of you, you can reply on your chats. Hello students, it would be very great to listen you, to hear from you. How are you all? Okay, so let's start it. So, do you know in today's session we will learn a very interesting thing, that is we will learn then how to solve simple equations. Okay, and trust me, these questions are really helpful for your Olympiad exams. Okay, but this session will be successful and you will learn if you are writing your answers, if you are giving your responses in your chat box. Hello, Sidra. Good afternoon. How are you, Sidra? So once again, a very welcome to all of you. So let's start doing this. Okay. Now, this is your question number one. And here we need to tell which statement is true and which one is false. Okay. So let's try to solve it. But for that, we need to read and understand that what each statement is telling about. Okay. So let's start it. The first one. In the first case, what they are saying, just a minute. Yeah. In the first statement, they are saying y square plus 9. Y square plus 9 is a linear equation in one variable, right? It's really good to hear this. You are good, Sidra. Now, so y square plus 9 is a linear equation. So, do you know what is a linear equation? In case of linear equation, what's the required condition? Linear. Linear means the power of the variable must be what? The power of the variable must be 1. Right? Now here, what is the power? If you are seeing this, then what is the power here? Who will tell me? Who will tell me what is the power of variable here? That is the highest power. That is the highest power. That means the degree of the variable. What is the degree of the variable here? You can see here the variable only here, that is y, and the degree of the variable is 2. That means it's not a linear equation. Why? Because the power of the variable is not 1, it is 2. So it is not a linear equation. And obviously, equation and expression are two different things. So what is this? We know that if the power is 2, then it is called as quadratic expression. It is not a linear equation. Okay, so this statement is false. Just a minute. Yeah. So it is not a linear equation. This statement is false. Now, let's try to understand the next one. The terms linear equation and linear expression are same. What is the difference between the linear equation and linear expression? So we know that what is the expression? Expression means it is the combination of a variable and constant with some operator. Suppose if I am writing x plus 5. If I am writing x plus 5. So what is this x plus 5? It is an expression. It is an expression, and as the degree of the variable is 1, it is a linear expression, right? So it is a linear expression, right? Now, what is an equation? As the name implies, equation. Equation means it must have the equal sign. Equation means it must have the equal sign. So if I am writing x plus 5 is equal to 10, then only it will become an equation. Okay, I hope you are getting my point. Then what is the difference between expression and equation? In case of expression, there is no equal sign, but in equation there is an equal sign. And as the power of the variable is 1, that means we are talking about linear expression and linear equation. Okay. So what's the statement? The statement is the terms linear equation and linear expression are same. No, they are not same. Correct? So this is also false. This is false and this is also false. Now come on to the next one. If x is an even number, then the next odd number is 2x plus 1. What do you think? Is it false or true? Try to write your responses in your chat box, all of you. If x is an even number, then the next odd number is 2x plus 1. What do you think? Okay, I'll tell you. Suppose if x is an even number, suppose the even number is 2. Okay, so if you are writing this expression 2x plus 1, so 2x plus 1 means 2 times 2 plus 1. That is 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Okay, so what is 5? 5 is not an next odd number. What will be the next odd number of 2? The next odd number of 2 is 3. But what we are getting? We are getting 5. That means this statement is also false. Correct? Because we are not getting the next odd number. We are getting other odd number. That's why this statement is false. If you have any doubt in any point, then please ask your doubt. Okay? Try to write your doubts and your answer in your chat, all of you. I hope everything is well at your end. Let's try to understand the next statement. If both sides of an equation is to be divided by the same non-zero number, then there is a change in equality. So let's take a number. Suppose it is written 20x is equal to 10. Suppose, right? Now, if I am dividing this equation by same number on both sides, suppose I am dividing it by 2. So 20x divided by 2 is equal to 10 divided by 2. We know that if we are dividing with the same number, then there will be no change in equality. Always remember that there will be no change in equality. When will equality change? It will only change if you are multiplying with some negative sign or dividing with negative sign. Right? So if we are dividing with the same number, it is a positive number, then there will be no change in equality. If it is greater than, then it will be greater than. If it is less than, then it will be less than. There will be no change. Right? So this is also false. Now, so we are getting all the four statements as false. Now let's try to understand the last one. Okay. They are saying 1 is the solution of 2x plus 1 divided by 3x plus 5 is equal to 3 by 8. Now 2x plus 1, 3x plus 5. Here we need to solve this. So let's solve it. So what is our equation? Equation is 2x plus 1 divided by 3x plus 5, which is equal to 3 by 8. Okay, all of you, I hope you are having your notebooks and pen with you. Try to solve this equation so that you can find the value of x. Try to solve it. Try to solve it. It's a simple equation. What you need to do, cross multiply it. I'm waiting for your answers. Let's try to do it. 2x plus 1. Here we need to multiply this with 8. And 3x plus 5, we need to multiply it with 3. Okay? Okay, Ahmed, you are saying it is true. Very good. Well done, Ahmed. Okay, now let's try to solve it. 8 2s are 16. 8 times 2 is 16x. 8 times 1 it is 8. Now 3 3s are 9. Now it is 3 5s are 15. Now it's so simple. What we need to do? We need to take all the like terms together. Namaste Ritik. How are you, Ritik? Now it is 16x minus 9x when we are taking 9x on the other side, and it will be 5 minus 8. Correct? And it is 15, not 5. 16 minus 9. What it will be? 16 minus 9. It will be equal to 7x, right? So it is 7x. 15 minus 8, it is also 7. Now, when 7, we need to take 7 on the other side because we need to find the value of what? We need to find the value of x. Correct? So, when we are taking 7 on the other side, it will be 7 divided by 7. So, the value of x is equal to 1. And what is our statement? Our statement is 1 is the solution of this. So, what is the meaning of solution? What is the meaning of solution? Solution means if we are solving this equation and we find the value of x, right? So value of x is equal to 1 here. Value of x is equal to 1 here. It means 1 is the solution of this equation. Correct? So this is true. You are absolutely correct, Sidra, that it is true. And this statement is true. So which option is correct? All the 4 statements are false. Only the last one is true. So our option C is correct. I hope it is clear to all of you. If you have any doubt in any part, then you can ask in your chat box. Now, let's move on to the next question. This is your next question. Which of the following is a linear equation in one variable? So I just told you in the previous question that what is the meaning of linear equation? What is the meaning of linear equation? That means it must be an equation. First of all, it must be an equation, right? And the next thing is it must have an equal sign, correct? So which of the following is a linear equation? It means we need to check by solving each equation that whether it has power 1 or power 2. So here we need to solve each equation one by one. Correct? So let's solve it. 2x minus 2 to the whole square. Who will tell me the formula of whole square? A minus b to the whole square. We know that a minus b to the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Correct? Now here on the left hand side we need to apply the same formula. Okay, so let's apply it when we are opening this bracket by using the formula of whole square. Try to solve it with me and give your answer in your chat box whether it is a linear equation or not. I am waiting for your answers, all of you. So it is a square minus 2 into 2x into 2 plus 2 square. Now we have opened this. Now on the right hand side it is 4x square plus 4x minus 4. Now square of 2, 4x square minus 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8. It is 8x plus 4. Now it is 4x square plus 4x minus 4. Now you can see 4x square is cancelled with 4x square. Both have the same thing on the left hand side and right hand side. It will become minus 8x plus 4 and 4x minus 4. Now you can see in this equation that we don't have the power of the variable 2. Here the power of the variable is 1. Right? So what does it mean? It means it is a linear equation. It is a linear equation in one variable. What is the variable here? The variable is x. So it is a linear equation in one variable. That's a different case that we can solve this, right? We can find the value of x also by solving it. So this is true. This is correct. Now, try to understand why all of them are not the linear equation. Okay. So obviously, you can see here in part C, in the third option, we can't solve it further. We can't solve this equation, and here the power is 2, here the power is 1. So what is the highest power of the variable? What is the highest power of the variable? Is it a linear equation or not? What do you think? Yes, correct. It's not a linear equation because the power is 2. So this option is incorrect. Now, try to, if it is C option is incorrect, so the answer must not be all of these. So it is also incorrect. Now we need to check the second B part. Now here again there is a whole square formula. 3x minus 4 to the whole square. 3x minus 4 to the whole square means 3x to the whole square. Okay, I need to take another color so that you can understand it better. Right. Now 3x square plus 4 square minus 2 times of 3x into 4. It is equal to 3x minus 3x square plus 3. Now when we open this square, 3 3s are 9, x square plus 16. Yes. Now it is 24x. It is 3x minus 3x square plus 3. Now when we are taking the like terms together, it will be 9x square and this will come here plus 3x square. Right? And it is plus 16. And you can see you can take minus 24x here. And it is this. Now 9 plus 3 is 12x square plus 16 is equal to 24 plus 3, 27x plus 3. Now you can see in this equation, what is the highest power of the variable? What is the highest power of the variable? The highest power of the variable is 2 here. So it is not a linear equation. Why? Because for the linear equation, the power of the variable must be 1. And here it is 2. So it is also not correct. It is not a linear equation. So it is also incorrect. So which option is correct? Option A. Right? Now, let's try to solve this question. It's a simple one. Only you need to solve and find out the value of x. Try to solve it, Ritik, Sidra, Ahmad. I'm waiting for your answers. Here there is an equation. You need to solve this equation to find the value of x. But before start, let's see. You can see it is 16. You can see the denominator. It is 7. It is 8 and it is 14. So it will be difficult if you are taking the LCM of 16 and 7, right? And it is also difficult if you are taking the LCM of 8 and 14. So what we can do here? First of all, we can rearrange these terms so that the equation will become simpler. Correct? So for that, we can take multiples of 8 on one side and multiples of 7 on the other side. So let's solve it. 3x plus 1 divided by 16. Now, we can take this term on the left hand side. So it will become minus of x plus 3 divided by 8. Right? Now, on the right hand side, 3x minus 1. On the right hand side, it is 3x minus 1 divided by 14. Now we can take this term on the right hand side because 7 and 14 and 7 are multiples. So it is 2x minus 3 divided by 7. Now it becomes simple because you can take the LCM easily. Yes? Wow, Sidra, very good. Very quick answer. Well done. I'm waiting for the others. Try to solve it. So when we take the LCM, it is 16, right? So 3x plus 1 minus of 8 times 2, it is 16. So it will be 2 times of x plus 3. This is left hand side. Now right hand side. On the right hand side, the LCM will be 14. So it is 3x minus 1 minus of 7 times 2 is 14. So 2 times of 2x minus 3. Correct? Now it's simple. We need to solve it. It is 3x plus 1 on the left hand side. 2 multiplied with this bracket 2x. And when minus 2 multiplied with 3, it will be minus 6. Yes, we know that whenever there is a negative sign out of the bracket, all the sign inside the bracket will change. It is equal to 16. Now, on the right hand side, it is 3x minus 1. 2 times 2, it is 4x. Minus 2 and minus 3, it is plus 6. Divided by 14. Now, you can see here, just a minute, the like terms. We need to take like terms together. Right? So it is 3x and 2x. 3x minus 2x, it is x. 1 minus 6. Minus plus is minus, but sign is always of greater number. So it is minus 5 divided by 16 is equal to 3x minus 4x. So 3 and minus 4. So it is negative x. Minus 1 plus 6. It is plus 5 divided by 14. Correct? Now simple solve it. First of all, 14. 14 multiplied with x minus 5. Right? and 16 multiplied with minus x plus 5. So it is 14x. When you are multiplied 14 with 5, you will get 70. And it is minus 16x. When you are multiplying 16 with 5, when you are multiplying 16 with 5, you will get 80. So it is 80, correct? Let's solve it further. So now we need to take x together and numbers together. So 14x plus 16x is equal to 80 plus 70. Now it is 14 plus 16, 30x, which is equal to 80 plus 70, 150. So what will be the x? X will be equal to 150 divided by 30. So we are getting 5. X is equal to 5. So solution of this equation and the value of x is 5. Very good, Sidra. We are getting 5 here. So the correct option is D. I hope all of you are solving with me and getting the same answer. Yes? There is nothing. Always remember the concept that what is plus minus or minus plus, and what will happen if we are taking one thing on the left hand side or the other thing on the right hand side and nothing else. Now let's take the next question. Now this is your next question. Try to solve it, all of you. The two adjacent sides of a rectangle are 5x square minus 3y square and x square plus 2xy. We need to find the perimeter. So we all know that the perimeter of rectangle is really simple, right? What is a rectangle? Rectangle is a quadrilateral and its opposite sides are equal, right? But here the sides are not given in numbers. The expressions of sides are given. So don't worry about it. If the expressions are given, you need to apply the same concept. Yes? So here, first of all, write the formula of perimeter. The formula of perimeter is 2 times of length plus breadth. Correct? Now, try to solve it. The formula is here and your length and breadth is here. Suppose this is your length expression and this is your breadth expression. Apply the formula and find out the perimeter, the expression of perimeter. I am waiting for your answers, all of you. Try to solve it. Try to apply the formula, write the expression of length and breadth, and simple solve it. Definitely you will get the correct answer. Try to solve it, all of you. So what is the length here? The expression for length is 5x square minus 3y square. What is the expression of breadth? The expression of breadth is x square plus 2xy. Okay. Simple. Speed up your writing, all of you. Now you can see 5x square and x square. So it is 6x square. Now it is minus 3y square because there is no other y square. So it is as it is. Now it is 2xy. Always remember that we can add and subtract only the like terms. We can add and subtract only the right terms. We cannot add and subtract unlike terms. Correct? Now there is a 2. So you need to multiply this 2 inside that bracket. 2 times of 6, 12x square. 3 times of 2, 6y square. 2 times of 2, 4xy. So this is your expression for perimeter. So which option is correct? 12x square minus 6y square plus 4xy. The option B is correct. Okay. I hope all of you are getting the same answer. Option B is correct. If you have any doubt in any question or in any part, or is there any confusion, you can write your answers in the chat box. You can write your doubts in the chat box also. Okay. Shall we move further? This is your next question. Find the value of p from 2 by x plus p is equal to 3 when this is your equation. Okay. Now apply your concept, apply your formulae and try to solve it. It's really simple. Here you need to find the value of p. But to find the value of p, we need x. And from where we are getting x? We will get x from here. Okay, so try to solve this so that you can find the value of x. And then after find the value of x, you can put to find the value of p. Okay, so try to solve it, all of you. I am waiting for your answers. The question is simple. It's look typical, but it's simple. Here what you need to do, first of all, you need to solve the second equation and find the value of x. After that, put that value of x in the first equation to find the value of p. Okay? Try to solve it. Solve this. Let's try to solve it. Here, 5 times of 7x plus 5 divided by 3. You can see there is a 3, there is a 3, there is a 3 and there is a 3. And we need to take the LCM and that will also be come out to be 3. Right? So we can take all the terms which are having the 3 as its denominator on one side so that it will become simple. Correct? So let's take it. So it is 5 times of 7x plus 5 divided by 3 minus 23 by 3. Now we can take this expression on the left hand side. So it will become plus 4x minus 2 divided by 3, which is equal to 13. Now we need to solve this equation and find the value of x. Try to solve it with me, all of you. Now, it is 5 times of 7. When we are taking the LCM, it is 3. It is 35x plus 25. Correct? Now, it is 23. Why? Because we are multiplying this whole bracket with 5. That's why it is 35 of x plus 25. Now it is 4x minus 2 because there is no multiplication here. It is 30. Okay. Now, you can see here, just a minute. Yes. You can see here 35x and 4x. It will be 39x. 25 minus 23. 25 minus 23, or you can say that minus 23 or minus 2. So minus minus is plus, but sign is of minus. So it is minus 23 and minus 2 will become minus 25 divided by 3, which is equal to 13. Now 25 minus 25, it is equal to 0. So 39 of x divided by 3 is equal to 13. Now 3 will go on the right hand side and it will be in multiplication. 39 of x 3 times 13. So 39 of x, which is equal to 39. And x will be equal to 39 divided by 39. So the value of x is equal to 1. The equation looks typical, but it's really easy, correct? So what we are getting? We got the value of x is equal to 1, right? Now the question is really simple. Our next equation, which is having p, what is this? It is 2 by x plus p is equal to 3. Now what we need to do? We need to put the value of x here so that we can find the value of p. Okay? So 2 divided by 1, because the value of x is 1, plus p is equal to 3. So p will be equal to 3 minus 2 and the value of p is equal to 1. Simple. So what is the answer? The answer is 1. The value of x is equal to 1, and after putting the value of x, the value of p is also equal to 1. So the correct option is option B. I hope all of you are getting the same answer. If you have any doubt here, you can ask. Very good, Ahmed. It's absolutely correct. The answer is 1. Try to solve it with me and give me the answers, all of you. Now this is the next question. Try to solve it. It's also simple equation. You need to solve the equation and find the value of x. There are 2 parts. Each part you need to solve it separately. Okay? Let's solve it. First of all, solve the first part. It is 2 times of x plus 5 minus x minus 6 in one bracket. On the right hand side, 3 times of x plus 7 and minus 3. Now multiplied it with 2. 2x plus 10 minus x. Because of this negative sign, it will be plus. Okay? It is 3x plus 21. 3 times 7 and minus 3. Okay? Let's solve it. 2x and minus x. It will become x. 10 and plus 6. It is 16. Now it is 3x 21 minus 3. It is 18. Because plus minus is minus, but the sign is of plus sign. Now x minus 3x, when we are taking 3x on the left hand side, and it is 18 minus 16. So x minus 3x, it will be minus 2x, and it is 2. So x will be equal to 2 divided by minus 2. So the answer is minus 1. So when we are solving the first part of this equation, this question, so the answer is minus 1. Try to solve, all of you. Now taking the next question and try to solve it. The next is 3x plus 4 to the whole square, 3x minus 2 to the whole square, 6x plus 5, 3x minus 2 and 12. You need to solve this question, solve this equation and find the value of x. Try to solve it, all of you. So 3x plus 4 to the whole square. Again apply the formula of whole square. A square plus b square and plus 2ab. Okay. Now 3x minus 2 to the whole square. 3x square plus 2 square. Now it is minus. So we need to apply the formula of a minus b to the whole square. 2 times of 3x and 2. Right? Which is equal to, now there is a multiplication of two brackets, 6x plus 5 and 3x minus 2 on the right hand side. So let's multiply it. 6x plus 5, 6x multiplied with 3x. When you are multiplying with this, it is 18x, 6x multiplied with 2, 12x, it is 15x, and it is minus 10 plus 12. Correct? Try to solve it. It looks typical, but it is not. Okay? Now, 3 3s are 9. 9x square plus 4 times 4, it is 16. 2 3s are 6 plus 24x plus it is also 9x square and it is plus 4 minus 12x. Correct? On the right hand side, you can see 18x and 12x. So 18 minus 12, it is 6x. and plus 15x and minus 10 plus 12, it is 2. Correct? Now we can solve it. 9 plus 9. It is 18x square. Right? 24 minus 12. It will be 12x. 16 plus 4. It is 20. Now 6 and 15. Okay. Now one more thing you can note here. There is a square. Very good, Laiba. Very good. Just a minute. We need to solve this expression again. Just a minute. Try to solve the next one, all of you. So obviously there are two brackets and we need to multiply these two brackets. Correct? So let's check it one more time. You can see here a plus b to the whole square so that you will understand it better what we are trying to do here. It is a square plus b square plus 2ab. In the next bracket, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now, when you are multiplying 6x with 3x, 6 times 3 is 18 and x times x is square. So, there is a square. It is 18x square. Now, you can see 6 when multiplied with 2. It is minus 12x. 5 times 3 it is 15x. And 5 times 2 it is minus 10 plus 12. Now solve it. It is 9x square plus 16 plus 24x. Again 9x square is square of 3 plus 4 minus 12x. Correct? Now on the right hand side, now we have 18x square. 15 and minus 12. It will be 3x. Minus 10 plus 12, it is 2. Now 9 and 9. It is again 18x square. Right? Hello? Hello, Somansh. Try to solve this question with me, Somansh. Now, it is 18x square. It is 16 plus 4. It is 20. Right? And 24x minus 12x. So, 24 minus 12, it is 12x, which is equal to 18x square plus 3x plus 2. Now here you can see one more thing, that there are 18x square on both sides of the equation. So it will be cancel. Right? What is left on the left hand side? 12x plus 20. And here it is 3x plus 2. Now it's very simple. Hello Vaibhav. Very good afternoon. Yes, it's absolutely correct, Vaibhav. The answer is minus 2. So it is 12x minus 3x and it is 2 minus 20. So 12 minus 3, it is 9x and it is minus 18. So x will be equal to minus 18 divided by 9. So the answer is minus 2. Absolutely correct. Very good answer, Laiba and Vaibhav. Try to solve it with me so that you can understand it better. Still, if you have any doubt in this question, you can ask. Any doubt to all of you? Ask your doubt if you have. Not only this, if you have any doubt in any question, you can ask. So this is how we can solve the simple equations. Actually, the equation look typical, but they are not. Right? So try to solve it. Try to make concepts clear. Yeah? You can solve this also. Let's try to solve this equation. And I'm waiting for your answers, all of you. So it is 2 by 5 of 4. So first of all, you can open this bracket. So it is 2 by 5 of 4x minus 1. First of all, we need to open this bracket. It is minus 4x, and because of this minus, it is plus 1 minus 3x divided by 2. Correct? And on the right hand side, it is x minus 7 divided by 2. Now you can do 2 together. Okay? So that you can take the LCM as 2. Now you can multiply it with this. 2 times of 4, it is 8x. Divide by 5. Minus 2 by 5. Okay? It is minus 4x. Now x minus 7 divided by 2. We can take this term on the other side. So it is minus of 1 minus 3x divided by 2. Okay? Now when we are taking the LCM, try to solve it with me. It's also simple. It is 8x minus 2 minus 1, 5 times 4, 20x. Okay? It is x minus 7 divided by 2. Again the LCM is 2, and because of this minus, the sign will change. Minus 1 plus 3x. Okay? Now it is 8 minus 20. So 8 minus 20, it will become minus 12x minus 2 divided by 5, which is equal to x plus 3x, that is 4x. Minus 7 minus 1 minus 8 divided by 2. Okay, now you can cross multiply it. So 2 times of minus 12x minus 2 and 5 times of 4x minus 8. Now it becomes very simple. It is 24x minus 4. It is 20x minus 40. So minus 24x minus 20, that will be equal to minus 24x minus 20x, that will be equal to minus 40 plus 4. Okay, so 24 and 20, it is 4, 44x, and it is minus 40 and plus 4. What will be? It will be minus 36. Okay, so x will be minus 36 divided by minus 44. Now 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, 9 by 11. So the answer is 9 by 11. So the correct option is B. I hope it is clear to all of you. So we solved many questions here, and we learned how to solve simple equations by applying the simple concepts. If still you have any doubt, you can ask your doubt, you can write your doubt in the chat box, and we will get back to you. So this is the end of the session. I hope you learned so many things new today, or not so many. I hope you learned few things today. Okay, so we will meet in the next session. Till then, bye bye. Have a nice day. Keep learning and keep smiling. Bye bye. Bye bye all of you.